Hello everybody, it is phonics time again. So we do have a new sound today, but first I'd like to go over some of our newest sounds, the ones we've done most recently. Look at the sound and try to say it before I help you. If you still need my help, that's okay. Let's go. What sound is it? Eh. Er. Mmm. Er. Mmm. Eh. Well done. Those were our newest sounds, and if any of those are still a bit tricky for you, then I would go back and try that bit again. Yesterday, we were learning and I asked you to sound out and build these words. I would like you to sound out mat now. Maybe you need some help. Ah. Point to the letter sound that I need at the start of ah, t, mat. Have you got it? Which one do I need first? Let's sound out mat again and find out what I need next. Ah, t. What's next? Point to the sound I need. Yes, ah. Ah. And then the last sound, t, at, mat. Well done. We also had man. Sound out man now. Let me help you. Ah, ah, Point to the sound we need first. Let's check what we need next. Ah, Which sound is next? Point to the one I need. Ah, ah. Let me take that as well. Man. Super. If you didn't do that yesterday, then make sure you do it today. Our new letter sound is D. Listen again. D. Here's our story all about D. A boy is tidying up his toy cupboard. At the back, he finds a duck, some dominoes, and an old drum. He starts to play the drum, making a D sound. What sound does he make? D. Very good. There are some words for me to read up here. Dog. What am I talking about? Dog. The dog. Fantastic. There are some other words too, but I can't see them in the picture. Egg. Oh yes, I can. There's something in this picture that can dig. This can dig. What about this very long word? Wedding. Wedding. There's a picture of a wedding in a red. A red picture frame. Wow, super. Lots of words with D. I'm going to trace our letter sound. Can you try and do that with me? Here we go. Awesome. Now, D is a tricky letter because it looks like a tall letter, and it is, but it's actually in the caterpillar group because we don't start at the top, we start at the caterpillar. Let me show you. Every time we want to write D, we need to do a caterpillar. Caterpillar, K shape to start. There's another sound that we already know, which also has a caterpillar K shape at the start, or as some people are calling it, a big round tummy. It's A. A also needs a caterpillar K at the start. So A is also in the caterpillar group. Watch this. Caterpillar, up to the top and down for the tail. Can you get your magic finger out and trace the caterpillar K? Round we go. Well done. And what about A? Can you trace A? Off you go. Our caterpillar letters are quite tricky. So let's try today's. We must start with the caterpillar K. Round, up, tall, and down for the tail. Get your whiteboard pen and calendar, or a piece of paper and a pencil, or chalk on the floor, and try writing a D just like me. Make sure you do your caterpillar K, up tall, and down for the tail. Have a go now. Pause the video. Let's try one more time together. Point your magic finger for me. Caterpillar, up to the top, and down for the tail. Beautiful. Okay, everybody. Today, I need you to practice your D. Need to move my face out of the way. There we go. Practice writing D and the other caterpillar letters because we know that they're quite tricky. So you're practicing K, A, and D. When you've finished, try some words from this word bank. Your grown-up can have a look and choose from there for you. Maybe they'll ask you to write some of the words. Maybe they'll ask you to read some that they've made out of flashcards. Or maybe they'll ask you to build some out of your tiles. Have a really great morning, everybody, and well done for your super phonics. Just remember, I'm very proud of how you're doing. A few weeks ago, you didn't know any letter sounds, and now we've nearly finished Group 2.